Well, hello there. You might have seen that I went to visit Venice, and did I have the time of my life? I dressed up in 4 different outfits and had just the most incredible experience as what we call a mask. So, what we are going to be doing as a theme for this cruise in September, leaving from New York on the 3rd of September 2026, coming back 12th of September, our theme for this event is Masquerade. So I want to quickly run through what is in your kits. You're going to get a full set of die cuts, a full set of the ephemera. You will get the piece of fabric you need for your spine. You will receive these 2 stamp sets, which we will be using, but they are yours to keep. A full set of the Masquerade paper, and believe you me, we used just about every last scrap of this deliciousness. And these 2 large sheets, which we will use to make our covers. So in actual fact, we will be using what's called the B side, and that is for the front cover, the back cover, and the fabric you can see as the spine. So everything you see here will be included in your kit: the resin pieces, the beadwork, the angel hair. Everything you need will be in your kit. If you cannot come on the cruise, there will be a few kits available at Big Mouth Scrappers. So if you're not coming on the cruise and you would like a kit, please let Big Mouth Scrappers know to put one aside for you. And what I have done is I have designed this so that you can make this your own as well. But it is designed for the cruise, so there are bespoke things for the cruise, like the itinerary, your invitation, so it has all the details about the projects, etc. On the cruise, we have this fun cruise and crop thing, so you can put however many. Mine, it will be my 2nd cruise and crop. So this is a pocket here. There are also these little cards which are blank on the back, so you can add photographs. Of course, you can add photographs to the back of these things as well. Here we have a little tuck spot and a little envelope with your invitation inside. Again, space for you to pop things on the back. And then we move on to the next page, which has a waterfall. So lots of space for photographs of you and your friends or whoever. So if you're not doing the cruise and you're buying this as a kit, well, it could be any function really, any gathering, any event. It doesn't have to be the cruise. And again, over here we have in each pocket these pull-outs for you to be able to put photographs on. This is where we will be using the stamps, and again over here, and you can add them to the backgrounds. It's again, you can add them to these. It's yours. You need to make it your own. So we have lots of place, again, pocket for you to be able to add things that you collect along the way on the cruise. We have this delicious pop-up. I love this pop-up. More pockets, so we have little things so that they don't all, the big things don't slide out. This is another tuck spot and pocket, and again another little thing so that your there's a paper clip in that one so that it doesn't slide out and it holds it tight. And then we close there. This is a mat. Then here we have this booklet, and I've put excursions. So again, I've put these in your kits. You can use them, don't use them, make it your own. So I've put this page for excursions, and then I've added this booklet so that you can put lots and lots of photographs. because why do we make these? So we can document our events and our cruises and whatever we're using this for. Lastly, I've put shows. You can continue it with excursion pictures. It's pockets with lots of place for you to add your show tickets, for example, if you go to something on shore or whatever you want. Again, here's another pocket, more of these. And then, in case there wasn't enough space for all your photographs, each page is a pocket with these tabs inside. So you can then add more photographs, write notes. So that is what we will be making on the cruise. Are you joining me, or do you want a kit? Contact Big Mouth Scrappers. And every kit comes with a video, so you don't have to worry. You can do it at your own pace. If you're not a fast worker and you want to come on the cruise, but you're worried about not finishing this in time, don't worry. You can finish it at home with my video.